pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Pandan banana roti. For this you will need 450 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 2 grams of salt, 1 egg, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 250 grams of room temperature water, and some pandan leaves. For the filling and topping you will need eggs, condensed milk and small bananas, very small bananas. First blend a couple of pandan leaves with the water. Strain the blended roti water to remove all the bits. When I say roti water, I of course mean pandan water. Beat the egg. Melt the butter and add it to the egg and whisk. Now add the pandan water and whisk again. Mix the flour and salt. Now mix in the pandan water. You don't want to knead it at this stage. Once all the flour is gone, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough in the bowl for about 5 minutes. If it's too sticky, add some more flour, a teaspoonful at a time. It should be like post-it notes sticky, not very sticky. I recommend kneading with one hand only because it lifts it up, and I'll put some oil on my hand too. Well, that took a lot longer than 5 minutes, I can tell you. When the dough has stopped sticking to your hands, but sticks to itself, you know it's ready. Nice and smooth. Now you want to cover it back over with cling film and leave it for another 15 minutes at the room temperature. If you don't want to use cling film, use kitchen foil. After 20 minutes, turn the rested dough onto a clean countertop, not floured, and divide the dough into 10 pieces, about 80-85 grams each. If you're using a pan that's smaller than 12 or 14 inches, make the dough balls about 60 grams each. Take each dough portion, roll it into a ball. Fill a small bowl with a few tablespoons of oil and roll each dough ball in the oil to fully coat it. Also put some margarine on your hands and coat it with that too. And then you put it into your baking pan and cover it with plastic wrap. I'm saying that because once I get all the oil on my hands I won't be able to turn the camera off. or is it oil? Margarine. And there we have them. They're not very perfect, but they're best a humble Bobby can do. Cover the pan in cling film and put them in the fridge for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. These will be in overnight. Put some oil in your frying pan. I'm using peanut oil. Put a little bit of oil on your workbench. Take your down. See if it sizzles. Yes. Cut up your banana. Get your mug. Break the egg in the mug. Give it a whisk. Your pan. Banana. Too much banana. Bit of oil. Egg. Half banana. And now for the taster test. Yeah, great. But I can only give them a 17 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale because of my cooking, which wasn't great.